We provide a means for an SME to understand the potential for digitalisation in addressing some of their priority business needs.
I had machinery in place that I knew had information I wanted to get hold of. I couldn't monitor it and I couldn't collect that data, and I realised Shoestring would be ideal for what I was looking at. Orthogonal itself is an industrial 3D printing company. From the workshop it became apparent that the best solution for us was an equipment monitoring solution. Shoestring gave us a method of actually monitoring the environment temperatures within the industrial 3D printer. This is really important for us because if you keep that consistent, then essentially you have a process which is repeatable. We utilised a Raspberry Pi with software embedded in, and we were able to monitor the printing environment. That allowed us then to have remote access to that and record that data.
Embracing digital technologies for manufacturing is probably the single most effective way of raising productivity. It allows our manufacturers to compete globally, innovate and grow their businesses and generate value.
It's made a big difference. I am now able to remotely monitor the environment and see what's going on with the temperatures. If there is any issue with the manufacturer, I can identify it immediately and take action on it. The Shoestring solution was very simple to implement. It was a low-cost solution. I would recommend the Shoestring project to anyone. I think it's been a great collaboration working with Scottish Enterprise Institute for Manufacturing.